Hello everyone, welcome back to TechRill. Today we are looking on one of the exciting updates from GitHub, a feature that changes how developers start new projects. Normally, we developers start our projects by creating a new repository. We open it, sometimes an empty repository, sometimes as part of the creation itself, we add a README file with a blank information. Once it's created, we all start wondering where to start. First of all, we need to clone it or open in a code spaces. Then think about the solution structure. If it is a single project, maybe a project structure fit there. Or if it is a solution with multiple projects, then we look for a proper solution structure to start with. With the new Copilot Coding Agent, GitHub transforms the empty repo into a ready-to-build project instantly. You don't need to worry about the repository or the empty project structure. Instead, you can brainstorm with, or you can start the boilerplate code with the new Copilot Coding Agent integrated to the repository creation. Start describing your ideas in a natural language. Copilot will generate the initial setup, including the started files, project structure, and the draft PR. This is a huge leap towards the AI-driven software creation, making project initialization faster, smarter, and much more intuitive. Now let us jump into a quick demo to see how this works. Let us quickly jump into the Create New Repository workflow. Start with providing the repository name, Employee Feedback Dashboard, and a simple description. It's a sample Employee Feedback Dashboard repository or project. Start continuing, and you can add a README file if you are interested, and also provide the prompt to Copilot. Here we given the prompt for creating an Angular-based employee feedback insight dashboard with specific information. The feedback initially stored in local memory. Submit the feedback with the name, department, and messages. The details about our idea or what will be our application is provided to Copilot Coding Agent. Coding Agent, along with creation of the repository, started its first PR and start working on our prompt. That is nothing but creation of an Angular application for employee feedback insights dashboard. Currently, the repository contains only a README file. Once the PR completed by Copilot, it will add all the basic structure and the prototype for the employee feedback insights dashboard. Let us wait for the Copilot to complete the work. Copilot finished the employee dashboard development. Around 30 files are generated and the details are available in terms of features, different features, and also the screenshot of the application captured here in terms of how the screenshot appear in a desktop window and different screens, and also the screenshot from a mobile responsive view, how it looks like in a mobile screen. This is the entire implementation, not only the project structure. The base framework implementation is completed along with your repository creation. No more empty repositories. Let us take how much time Copilot took for implementing the prototype of our employee feedback insights form. Here, we can see that Copilot not only implemented, it's updated the README file also with all the details. Multiple components are available as part of the application. It took around 53 minutes for completing the initial version of your application. The structure is defined, dependencies are included, and you have a working application ready for you to deploy it. Copilot created a branch for its implementation. Let us open this branch code in a code space to check whether the application or the implementation by Copilot is working perfectly fine or not. We have opened the branch in a code space. Angular application is ready to run. Installing the dependencies as the first step using npm install. Once the installation is completed, we can run it using npm start. The app is start running. We can either open in the inbuilt browser or in a separate browser. This is our application, the employee feedback insights dashboard, providing the name, department, and a feedback for the submission. It's a simple application built with the help of Copilot without any theme provision or anything. So we added 2 of the feedback for testing purpose here. Once the feedback submitted, we can navigate to the admin dashboard to see these 2 feedbacks. One is positive based on the languages and one is a neutral term or the sentiment of the feedback is neutral. The app is working fine. Now you have the entire setup information as part of README. You can go ahead and explore it further. Now you are clear on how Copilot instantly draft your first version of application, set up your folder structure and even explain what it did right inside the PR. No need to start from scratch, no need to copy boilerplate from older repositories. Instead, describe your project idea, Copilot takes care of the rest. No more empty repos, no more set of overheads. So next time, when you are ready to create something new, don't start from scratch or empty repositories, start with Copilot. Thanks for watching TechRill. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Copilot updates and demos.